back to my channel. So today I am back with another typical easy recipe again. Today we're making tacos. Yes, I told you guys that I was going to be making some tacos with the last recipe that I made. So today I'm showing you guys a very easy beef and rice taco recipe. If you would like to see it, keep on watching, of course. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Also hit that thumbs up button for me. Without further ado, let's jump right in. To begin, I am starting with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in my skillet. Once it's melted, we're going to add our onion in, and also I'll be adding my mixed bell peppers. All right, going to add that in there. Give it a stir, make sure everything is nice and tender. Then we're going in with some garlic. I'm using 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to let that fragrance for a little bit. Then we're going to add our beef, ground beef. Here it is. Now we're going to cook the ground beef until it's no longer pink, just like so. Then it's ready to be seasoned. All right, the seasoning that I'm using, the measurement will be down below. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of onion, half teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika. We're going to give that a quick mix. 1 teaspoon of dry pepper flakes. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley with 1 tablespoon of W sauce, with also 1 tablespoon of white balsamic vinegar. All right, give that a quick mix just like that. Now I'm adding some tomato sauce in. All right, this taco is going to be absolutely delicious. Just stay with me, okay? Just stay with me. Now I'm adding a little bit more of the tomato sauce so it can be nice and saucy. And then we're going in to add some more seasoning just because I feel like I need more. We're using 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning and about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, ground black pepper. Now I'm adding some rice to it. You can add more rice if you want. Ooh, even better. Just mix that up just like so. Then we're going to add some pepper jack cheese. And of course that recipe was from my last recipe that I uploaded, which was the stuffed red bell pepper. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And this basically is your ground beef taco filling. Okay, now it's time for me to make some, not really pico de gallo, but something similar to it. So we're using half a lime juice. We're adding tomatoes with cilantro and onion. Okay, you can add jalapenos to it if you want, because I didn't want it to be too spicy because I'm giving it to kids, so I'm like, no jalapenos. And I added some pepper. Basically that is it. And for my tortillas, I am going to toast them on my skillet. You can even place them in the oven if you like. Once they golden brown, just take them out just like that. You want it to be nice and hot and has a perfect color to it, just like that. Ooh, look at that one. Poof. Now once you're done, you're going to start serving your tacos. Okay, and I should have added the cheese first, well, after I added the ground beef, but that it doesn't matter. We're going to jump right into our crunchy water, which is lettuce for those who doesn't know. Then we're going to add the somewhat pico de gallo in there. Then we're going to add the cheese on top. Now I did take it back, place it in the oven for a little bit just to melt my cheese, and that is what you have. Grab some taco sauce, you are good to go. Let me know if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Give me a thumbs up please, and also leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. I do have a stuffed bell pepper recipe, which I will leave down below and also on the screen. Click on it to watch it next. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.